Lockdown 2 is here, and I call it the sequel. All these restrictions are not good for the people. Gyms are closed, which helps mental health. But in the first lockdown, Cummings decided to go north and help himself. With no clarity, people don't understand what they can do. Stay at home, they say, whilst the super spreaders can go to school. Don't use public transport, but we will extend the congestion charge and keep the bars closed because this is going to last. Mental health is a serious thing. Some are shielding, some losing jobs, and the economy is getting thin. We must reuse and recycle, but masks just end up in the bin. People are fed up. They have had enough. Hairs are getting thin. So much has changed from last year. We used to go out, do what we want, and not live in fear. Now our country is split into different tiers. Where does this end? We can't cope with another year. I hope 2021 is not the same. Going on a normal holiday seems ages away. But we have to remain optimistic and look at the gains. We've made it to today, while sadly others have passed away.